First of all, I want to thank God for everything at the moment na kasama ka. Every experience na binibigay ni Lord ay treasure sa akin. Pinapasalamatan ko si Lord dahil sobrang blessed ako dahil ikaw yung binigay ni Lord para sa akin. Perfect, sabi ko, dahil sa ministry, sa pagpaplano natin in future of our family ay napakaganda dahil wala pa tayong baby pero si Lord pinaghahanda na natin yung parating na mga anak natin. And nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil God-oriented talaga yung pinaplano natin. And hindi ako nangangako but I do my best na mamahalin kita hanggang sa huling hininga ko. At sa aking pagtanda, ikaw at ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko. Pinapangako ko din sa ating Panginoon na iingatan kita, mamahalin hanggang sa ating mga anak. Tayo ay tatanda na kasama si Lord na maglilingkod sa atin. Muli, my love, with my heart, and si Lord po yung audience sa puso ko, ikaw lang ang nilalaman nito. Until the end of my life, mahal na mahal kita, and I love you so much.
Dear husband, first, I would like to tell you that you are the most important and wonderful person I have. I thank God for giving me a faithful, loving, caring, and responsible husband as you. I am joyful every time we pray and worship God together. Thank you for accepting all my flaws and helping me overcome my weaknesses. Thank you for taking care of me, for cooking my favorite food, helping me do our daily chores, encouraging and reminding me of God's promises when I feel discouraged. You are so amazing person. I want you to know that I will always be by your side no matter what. Hindi ako magsasawang paglingkuran, suportahan, at samahan ka sa lahat ng ipapagawa ni Lord sa'yo. I promise to hold your arms forever and be the best wife, partner in the ministry, and a future mother to our future children. Thank you for always believing in me, and God is really using your life to discover more of God's purpose, why God created me. Thank you for cheering me and giving efforts to work out our marriage by God's grace and wisdom. Kung tatanungin ako ulit kung magpapakasal ako, ikaw pa rin ang isasagot ko. Masasabi kong ikaw at ikaw ang palagi ko, mahal na mahal kita lang. God bless everyone.
From now, when I will go out, I will
Wow.
This